Here are some of the best investment markets to consider for 2025. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So first, the stock market is a popular choice for growth. Investing in stocks, especially in sectors like technology, healthcare, and green energy, has the potential for high returns. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are also a great option for diversifying your investments in the stock market. Next, the real estate market. The real estate market is great as an option for those seeking steady income and long-term appreciation. Investing in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can provide regular cash flow through rent while offering the potential for property value increase. Bonds and bond markets are ideal for more conservative investors. Governments and corporate bonds provide steady, predictable returns for lower risk compared to stocks, making them a safer choice for those looking for stability. All right. Now we got the commodities market. The commodities market could also be an attractive investment for you, especially gold, silver, and other precious metals. These markets are often seen as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Cryptocurrency is an emerging market that offers high growth potential, but it comes with higher risk. So if you're willing to navigate volatility, investing in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum can be a way to grow your wealth in the digital age. All right? So, choosing the best investment market depends on your goals, your risk tolerance, and the time horizon. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.